In the last video, I told you we're gonna go up so we can hit this level, the 4,420 level, and from there I'll start shorting. So I'll give you my price prediction, the long term and the short term one, without wasting a second of your time. First of all, short term and long term. Long term, we're going down. We just crossed the 1020 MA and VWAP. Normally, after a hit like this, normally you get a retrace. Also, keep in mind we broke out of the trend line we drew on the 27th of August. The second thing you should know is that right here, even on the short-term time frame, I'm going short right now, and my goal would be to take on a good position to around the VWAP. That's basically it. I won't waste a second of your time, just like I said. So hit the like button if you appreciate that. If you're wondering how I made 260 grand from meme coins and 30 grand on a new wallet from scratch, use the link in the description down below to sign up for my course and my signals chat. Also, futures, I'm trading on BloFin now, switching from XC. They're giving you a $30 bonus plus 50% off your spot fees. Love you with all my heart. See you next video.